questions. I will explain you in details. Okay, this is the first question in front of us, and how to just move ahead. You can let us see and understand the steps. Okay, so here the first question is that 1 by 3 log of x square minus 16x plus 20 minus log of cubic root of 7 is equal to 1 by 3 log of 8 minus x. So to solve such question, students, you can see 1 by 3 is there, and here cubic root of 7 can be written as 7 power 1 by 3. So into the next step we can see this can be written as, this can be rewritten as 1 by 3 log of, just as it is, x square minus 16x plus 20. Just write the first term as it is, and for the second term, it can be written as minus log of 7 power 1 by 3. Tell me if it can be written like this or not, right? Because 7 power 1 by 3 can be is nothing but 7 power 1 by 3 is nothing but cubic root of 7, and the last term which is into the RHS, that is equal to 1 by 3 log of 8 minus x. Just write the first term and the last term as it is, right? Now you can see here you can see into the next step 1 by 3 log of, just write the first term as it is, 16x plus 20, and minus 1 by 3 log of x power m. Log of x power m can be written as m log x, right? Do you remember? Yes. So from here, using that property of logarithm, we can bring this 1 by 3 into the prefix of log 7, right? Like this. And into the RHS we have 1 by 3 log of 8 minus x. So here you can see 1 by 3, 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 can be cancelled out. Okay, and we are left with log of x square minus 16x plus 20 minus log of 7. So just write this step, minus 16x plus 20 minus log of 7, the second term, and that is equal to log of 8 minus x. Okay, so log of a minus log of b can be written as log a by b, right? So log of a minus log of b can be written as log of a by b. So x square minus 16x plus 20, and this 7 will be going into the denominator of LHS inside the logarithm, right? And into the RHS we have as it is log 8 minus x, right? Now here you can see log of x square minus 16x plus 20 and log of 8 minus x into the RHS. Just take the anti-log and we can just remove the logarithm. Okay, then we are left with the equation, which equation? X square minus 16x plus 20 by 7 is equal to 8 minus x. So when this 7 will be going, let me write it over. When this 7 can be pushed into the RHS, right? Then we have x square minus 16x plus 20 is equal to 7 into 8 minus x. So this will give you x square minus 16x plus 20 is equal to 56 minus 7x. Now this can be further simplified, and we can write, bringing the like terms together, x square, when minus 7 will be coming into this side, we will be having 9 plus 7 16 minus 9x plus 20 and minus 56, that is minus 36. So it will be minus 36, right? This is equal to 0. So here you can see this is a quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation. So when you are able to solve it, you are getting your answer, right? To solve this question, we can further solve this quadratic equation. Here you can see minus 9 minus 9 should be there, and the product should be 36 for the first and last. So x square minus 9x minus 36 is the quadratic equation. You just split this middle term, minus 9. So you can see 36 minus 36 can be written as the product of minus 12 and plus 3, and when you add it you get minus 9, the middle term. So we will split the middle term using this, right? Then we get, hi Rajnish, so then we will get x square minus 12x plus 3x plus 36 is equal to 0, right? So this will give you, from the first two terms, x can be taken as common, and we have x minus 12, and from the last two terms 3. So here you can see minus 36 was there, but we have written plus 36, so this is a mistake, just correct it, minus 36. And when 3 can be taken as common from the last two terms, and we have x minus 12. So here you can see x minus 12 and x minus 12, which is common into the initial two and the last two terms. So that's why x minus 12 can be taken as common, and inside the bracket we are left with this x and this 3, right? So we are left with x plus 3 is equal to 0. So this will give you, we can equate x minus 12 as equal to 0 and x plus 3 as equal to 0, right? So this will give you the value of, x as equal to plus 12 and x as equal to minus 3. So students, this is our answer, plus 12 and minus 3. These are the two values of x which is coming on solving the above equation. Okay, I hope you went through the steps. Okay, without taking that much of time, I will just directly go into the second question. What is the second question? Let us see the second question in front of us. Let me zoom a little. Yes, sorry. Yeah, for the second question, it's given that log of 5x minus 4, 1 by 2 of log of 5x minus 4, 5x minus 4, right? Plus log of root x plus 1. So I am writing log over here. Just into the questions I am using different pen so that it will be easily visible. Okay, after that I will use my pen. Half log of 5x minus 4 plus log of root x plus 1, right, is equal to 2 plus log 0.18 is equal to 2 plus log 0.18. So the question is this, right? To solve this question, how to go ahead, I will explain you. Okay, so let me read out the question first once again. Half of log of 5x minus 4 plus log of root x plus 1 is equal to 2 plus log 0.18. So students, to solve such questions, let us see. You can see 1 by 2 is here, 1 by 2, and this root x plus 1 can be written as x plus 1 power 1 by 2, and you know property of log of x power m is m log x, that 1 by 2 can be taken as common. So just try to take 1 by 2 as common. Okay, so let us move ahead into the first step. What we can write, half of log of 5x minus 4 plus log of x plus 1 power 1 by 2. This can be written like this, right? Now into the last step, you can see 2 plus, into the RHS we have 2 plus log 0.18. So log 0.18 can be written as log of 18 divided by 100, isn't it? This can be written like this, right? Now into the next step, what we can do, half of log 5x minus 4 plus the second term can be written as log of x power m. Then this exponent can be brought to the prefix of the second term. So this can be written as half of log x plus 1, right, the second term. And into the RHS we have 2 plus log of 18 by 100. So 100 can be written as 10 square, right? And into the next step what we will do, log a divided by b can be written as log a minus log b, right? So into the next step, half of the first term will be carrying forward as it is, right? Log of a 5x minus 4 is equal to plus half of log x minus 1, log x plus 1, half of log x plus 1 the second term, and into the RHS we have 2 plus log 18 by 10 square. So this can be further written as log 18 minus log of 10 square. So log of 10 square can be written as, so let me, I don't want to skip the steps, let us write it that is like it is now. This can be written as half of log of 5x minus 4, the LHS is just coming as it is now, plus half of log x plus 1 is equal to 2 plus log 18 minus 2 times log 10. And here you can see log 10 is nothing but 1, right? Log 10 is nothing but 1. So here you can see minus 2 into 1 is minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. So in this way this 2 and minus 2 log 10 can be cancelled, right? And we have our equation with us, that is half of log of 5x minus 4, right, plus half of log x plus 1, right? So you can see here half of log of 5x minus 4, just write as it is, plus log of x plus 1. What we did, we have just taken half as common, because that is same for, that is half is common into the first and second terms. And into the RHS we have only log of 18, log of 18. So into the next step what we can do, we can simply, these two can be shifted to the RHS. So it will be log of 5x minus 4 plus log of x plus 1 is equal to 2 times log 18, right? So here into the subsequent step what we can write, so log a plus log b, so log of a into b can be written as log a plus b. So we can write it, the above LHS, as 5x minus 4 into x plus 1, right? And this log will be applied to the product of these two terms, because log a into b can be written as log a plus log b. I hope you understand this step, right? And into the RHS we have 2 into log 18. So log 2 into log 18, then these two can be shifted to the exponent of 18, right? So here we can write log of 18 square into the RHS, because when you split it this exponent will be coming as a prefix, which is your previous step, right? Now into the next step you can see, you can take the antilog, and then what will happen, this will be equal to this after removing the log, okay? Then we have 5x minus 4 into x plus 1 is equal to 18 square. So you can see again we are just arriving on a quadratic equation, right? So just we are able to solve it, right? So here just split it, 5x into x will be 5x square minus 4x plus 5x minus 4 is equal to 18 square. 18 square is 18 into 18 is 64. It's coming as 224. It's coming as 224, right? I'm writing it 224. Now here we are just seeing the next step as 5x square plus x 224 when going into the LHS, and here we have 5x square, so it's not, it's minus 4 only, minus 4 minus 4x, and minus 4 is here, minus 4x and plus 5x. Yes, so minus 4x plus 5x is x minus 4, and this 224 when coming to the LHS it's coming as 224 here, and RHS we have 0, right? Now into the subsequent step we have 5x square plus x minus 228 equal to 0, right? 5x square plus x minus 228 equal to 0, right? Here let me check it again. 8 8 64 14 8 1, so it's not 224, it's 324 because here you can see 18 into 18 is 324, so 324 coming to the LHS it will be 328, right? So we have to solve this quadratic equation. We are just arrived on a quadratic equation. Just solve this quadratic equation, 5x square plus x minus 328. Okay, this is the consequence of the above question, right? So 5x square plus x minus 328, 5x square plus x minus 328, this is 5x square plus x minus 328 equal to 0. So we have to solve this, and we are getting the answer of our question. So to just proceed further, you can see here, just use the quadratic formula, right? That is x will be equal to minus b plus minus root over of b square, that is 1 square minus 4 into 5 20 into 328, right? So 1 square, here you can see 1 square minus this minus will be multiplying with this, so this will be like this, divided by 2a, that is 2 into 5. So this will give you the value of x as minus 1 plus minus root over of 1 plus 20 into 328 is nothing but 2 at 16, carry 1 5 divided by 10. So this will give you the value of x as minus 1 plus minus root over of 6561 divided by 10. So this will give you, what is the root of 6561? We need to calculate it. Okay, 80 into 80, you can simply see 80 into 80 is 6400, right? So here it's 6561. So above 80, what will be the number whose square on the unit digit you are getting as 1? Okay, it can be 81, right? But not 82, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, but it can be 89 also, because the unit term when you multiply 89 with 89, right, you will get the unit term as 1. So this will be very higher, so we are excluding this. We can try for this 81. So let us check for 81. So when 81 into 81 we are taking, because for the unit digit it's 1, so 81 into 81, whatever the result, on the unit digit you have the 1. So 81 into 81 is 1 8. I'm just checking, we can just derive the square root also, but just to speed up we are doing the steps like this. 8 1 8 8 is 64, so 1 4 5 16 6561, yes. So 81 into 81 is 6561, which is our number inside the root, you can see. So that's why we can write it as minus 1 plus minus root over of 6561 is square root for 81, right? So when you take the square root of 6561, the number is 81. right? So instead of root 6561, write 81 divided by 10, and then we get the value of x as equal to -1 plus 81 by 10 and -1 minus 81 by 10, right? So this will give you the value of x as equal to 80 by 10 and another as minus 82 by 10, right? So you get the value of x as equal to 8, which is your valid answer, and the other value of x was coming as minus 8.2, right? So in this way we have solved the question, okay, and we have our values x equal to 8 and minus 8.2, but for the logarithm we will take only the positive values here, right? So the question which was with us, that it was to find the, this is the solution, this was the solution for the question, this was solution for the question, half of log of 5x minus 4, right? Now writing the question again, plus log of root of x plus 1, right? Log of root of x plus 1 is equal to 2 plus log of 0.18. So the solution of this question, the solution of this question is x equal to 8, and the another value of x was this one. So students, in this way we have solved this question. So let me write x equal to 8 and minus 8.2 for the solution of this. So this was the question which we have solved. So we have our answer x equal to 8, right? For this question we have x equal to 8 and another value is minus 8.2. So in this way students we have solved this question. Thank you so much for watching. Be connected. Hi Kitus, hi Rajnish. Sorry I didn't pay much attention into the chat, but yes, if you any query you can just put up into the chat, okay? I will just respond to you. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye. See you. Be connected.